Hey, hi. Today I present you with a Duolingo, an app which helps you to learn new languages. I'm trying to learn Spanish, so I'm also using the app. Okay, I selected beginner. Make sure when you're setting this up, you select the language that you want to learn. All right. Now, the good thing about Duolingo, it presents you this in a fun way, you know it's not like you're in class, but it's kind of a fun way, and it's actually a free app. You can learn 40 plus languages, and it's easy to use, as you're going to see. All right. Now, one of the things which I love about this app is they actually pronounce things in the language that you want to learn. Okay, so that you can really learn how to speak them. You get, it's not all about like showing you like this, they call it this, but you even actually speak out. For example, this is the second assignment I'm on. I select the correct image. Here there is a voice. You can click on it. Let me click on it.
Café.
So cafe, something like that. So you have to select an image which corresponds to that. So here it's coffee, but to them they call it, I think, coffee, something like that. So let me click on check. So you have to check, and it say excellent. So it means actually you corrected something, right? So let me click on continue. Select the correct translation for T. Now, previously I've been learning Spanish. T in Spanish they say te. So you just I just choose this and check. Great job. So as you kind of study the language, you are given exercises right away. It's a cool way of remembering what you have studied. Okay. So translate this sentence. If you want to hear it, you can click on this speaker.
Un té.
You see?
Un té.
And té. So probably this means with sugar, please, Merrick. I'm kind of new, so I'm not really used that this and tea. So let me just say, I think because this is tea, I think with sugar. Nope. Correct answer is a T. So UN means A. Then T is, so something like that. So these guys will show you how to like how to speak that language, how like the vocabulary, everything that you should expect in a in a software to teach you the language. Let me click on speaker this.
Por favor.
So it helps you to know how they say that.
Por favor.
So por favor, then I think this is please. Okay, por favor. I'm going to be good in Spanish. Okay, so so it's really a cool app. You really have to check it out. It has more than 500 million downloads, and I just love the comments. The new energy system is terrible for you. Penalize if you answered correct. Now both correct and deduct from your energy, which is capped at. Okay. All right. There's some bad reviews, some good reviews, but generally, I just love the app. Okay, I love the app, and if you're kind of trying to learn a new language, you can try it out. It's not that so perfect, but it's a good way to start up. All right, it has more than 44 million reviews. Oh my gosh! Anyway, so that's it. You can use the app for free. I haven't paid anything, but I'm using it. Let me know if you learn a new language using Duolingo. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave me a like or a comment. Bye bye.